ArtOfSpeedd. What up, good people? Today we gotta get tires in the Gen Coupe. I was driving to work and my car had a blowout on the driver rear. I was so like, yo, what in the world? I wish I had pictures of it. I should have took a picture of it, but I was trying to get to work at the same time of putting tires on the car. So I was running a little late and I was like, dang. But we are here today to get 2 new tires on the back rear of the vehicle. I know in the last video I put 2 new tires on the front of the vehicle because the front really needed tires, the back ones really didn't. So I was like, all right, cool, we're gonna put tires on the front and then we'll come back and put tires on the back. What I should have did was replace all 4 of them that day, but yeah. So lesson learned, you know. So they're practically brand new, still brand new on the front. So we're just gonna be putting tires on the back. There's no need to replace all 4 with good tread. So we're gonna show you, I'm gonna show you the treads on the front of the vehicle, then I'm gonna show you the tires of the back of the vehicle. So as you can see, it is good tread on the front of the vehicle. My front tires still have good tread on it, even on this side. Have a good tread on them. I know we definitely got to give an update on the Gen Coupe about the wrap. We got to give an update about the wrap. The wrap should be coming off the end of this week, but still we're gonna give an update on the wrap, give an update on the whole vehicle, because I haven't did an update. I think I owned this vehicle for like 5 years. I paid it off, so it's time for an update. I definitely got to see. Alright, so I had a blowout, but I drove on the tire. I got to make sure to see if my TPMS sensor is broke. I had to drive on the tire because I was on a back road and I had this truck behind me, and I really didn't know. I'm gonna be honest with you, I didn't know. I thought I did, but I didn't know that my tire blew out. I didn't know my tire blew out. I was like, man, what is that smell? Like, I smell rubber. And I'm like, yo, these back roads is garbage. That's what I said. I was like, yo, I forgot how garbage these back roads is. And I was like, yo, my car is not driving funny. I mean, no, I was like, my car is driving really funny. How to, you know what I'm saying? I was like, my car is driving really funny on these back roads. It usually don't drive this funny on back roads. So I pulled into somebody's driveway. I'm like, yo, my tire is flat. I was like, oh, shoot. But yeah, I gotta talk to the guy and see if my TPMS sensor is broke. I hope not, it's not broke, because then I gotta pay that. But I'm getting the same tires that I got on the front tires, them General G Max. I ain't gonna say a lie. I like the General G Max. Them things is thick. They are. That's the one that came out the back. Yeah. Out the back seat. Yeah. Okay, cool. I was just trying to see, did my TPMS sensor break? Alright. Still intact. Cool, because I had to ride on it. I had to ride on the tire to actually get it to get out of the way. So I was on the back road and I had this big old truck behind me. Right. And yeah, I had to drive on. I was like, yo, these back roads is pretty garbage right now. I was driving, I was like, yo, this back road is pretty. I didn't know my tire just got popped. I was like, yo, these back roads is garbage. Cause I'm always taking it on the back roads, but I'm like, these things is garbage right there. And then I was like smelling rubber. I'm like, man, I smell some rubber. I got out of the car, I said, oh shoot. So I don't know how far I drove on a flat tire, but that's the reason why I'm asking about the TPMS sensor.
The other tire, yeah, it was tore up, but it wasn't, you know, to the point where it got down to.
Okay, then.
Where the sensor is.
Cool, appreciate it. And yeah, guys, I got to guys, I'm gonna have to do something about them wheels. I'm definitely have to take these wheels off and redo them because them jinks look raggedy right now. Especially going through that situation. Yeah, them jinks look a little raggedy, so we gotta get that going. So one tire is the final. One tire on right there, guys. All right, there go the donut. I have to put that back in the back. I gotta clean out the trunk of the car to put that back there, but we good though. Oh yeah, we definitely got to talk about a 2-minute tip Tuesday on the spare tire of the back of your vehicle, because man, the spare tire of the back of my vehicle, because I don't never really use my spare tire. I usually like stay consistent on replacing the tires on my car. But man, that's a story right there. And on the 2-minute tip Tuesday that we got to talk about, man, I was like, yo, I had a little, I ain't gonna say lie, I had a little dumb moment. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Man, so right here, it says maximum 80 PSI. Guess what I was trying to do? Put maximum 80 PSI in that jank. We just gonna do it that way. But I had I was in a moment, I was like, yo, I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna talk about it in the 2-minute tips Tuesday coming up pretty soon, because that is something that most people need to know about. Like, yeah, that's gonna be part of the maintenance routine that we gotta do on the vehicle. Let's see, I can't really go into the shop because I just went to like a little, I just went to a tire shop so I can get tires put on. So, yeah. It's back there getting mounted balance. Make sure the balance is, make sure they're getting the balance right, but it's back there getting mounted balance. Definitely have to do something with the tire. Back down. It's a great torque. Man, they got a scissor lift. I don't remember having a scissor lift. I got a scissor lift now.
You got it.
Alright, the Gen Coupe is back, looking good. I guess it's time to burn rubber. Burn some fresh rubber on the back of the car now. Some burnouts. Ain't nobody gonna be able to see me no more. They was trying to race when I had the spare on there. But man, I appreciate y'all. Thanks. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of our Speed family, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.